Zcal scheduling tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you a full walkthrough of how to use Zcal scheduling platform. I'll be showing you how to set it up, how to embed it on your external website, or how to promote your link. To get started, you're going to go onto Zcal.com and you're going to tap on sign up free. Once you have done that, you can choose to sign up with your Google account or your Microsoft account or your email address. So we're going to be signing up using our Google account. So let me do it. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can add in your name. So you can put in your name right there, no space in between. Then you could also add a profile pic and you're going to tap on next. After tapping on next, you can add your company name. So I'm just going to type in Jason T right there. Then you could put in the position that you hold in the company and you're going to tap on next. After you have done that, you can set up your availability. So these are the hours that persons will be able to schedule you. So you could tap on, for example, Monday, and let's say I will be available from 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. After doing that, I'll tap on apply, and you could do this coming straight down the line. So you can change all of these timing if you want. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on let's go. After tapping on let's go, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you will see 2 sample invites already created. So you could select any one of these and you could edit them to your liking, or you could tap on new link in the top right hand corner. And then from there, you can select what type of meeting you would like to create, whether it is a one-on-one invite, a group invite, or a meeting poll. So you have 3 different options as you can see right here. Let's say, for example, we want to create a group invite. You'll select group invite. Then from there, you can give it a name. After adding the name, you can add the max invites, whether you like to set the limit at 2 or more. You can select the event duration, so let's say 45 minutes. Then from there, you could also add the location, so we can leave it with Google Meet, but if you like to change that, you can tap on edit. And then from there, you could choose Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or a custom link. So you can choose whichever one of those platforms you want. Once you're finished doing that, you could put in a description. So you could type in, for example, meeting agenda or so on. Then after doing that, you can scroll down, and if you would like to add a custom URL, instead of it just saying Zcal 30 minutes, you can put on the extension that you would like to be added right there. Once you're finished doing that, you can change the text color. So for example, we could tap on edit theme. After tapping on edit theme, you could change the font style and so on. But to do this, you'll need to go onto the paid plan. You can also upload a background image. So let's say we were to add this one. Once you have added the background image, you can select preview to see how it would look. So you can see how it would look right there. Once it is to your liking, we'll select exit and we're just going to tap on submit. So now that we have added that, you can scroll down, and if you would like to add a story image, you can also do that. Then you'll tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on next, you can scroll down and you will see the option right there where we have set up our availability. If you like to further edit it, you can tap on saved availability and you can make changes. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on next once more and you can choose display time zone. You can change that if you want. You can also add a custom question by tapping on add custom question, because at the moment, the only question that is there is their name and email address. So if you like to add another question, you can do that by tapping on add new question, whether you like to require their phone number, or you like to add a drop down question, an attachment, or a long text or short text. You can choose to add a different question once they're signing up. And you can scroll down and you can set up the minimum notice and so on. And you can add also a buffer time. Once you're finished doing this, and you can set up an SMS reminder if you want, and you can also choose to redirect them whenever they're signing up. But keep in mind, some of these features, you will need to be on the paid plan. For instance, you can also accept payments, so you could tap on your integrations and a new page is going to open up, and from here you'll be able to connect your Zoom. You can also connect Microsoft Teams, and by scrolling down you will see the option to connect Stripe. So you could set up Stripe as the payment gateway. So you can connect Stripe and then you'll be able to set it up. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Create Invite. After you have selected Create Invite, you have three options. You can either copy the link and then share the link directly. So for example, you can see how it looks right here. And persons will be able to select a date, select a time, then fill in their name, email address, and tap on Schedule Meeting. Or you could choose to embed it on a website. So for example, let's say I were to go onto Google Sites. So let's say I were to go onto Google Sites right here, and I would like to embed it. I could do that. So I could either embed it on a page like this, or I could do a full page embed. So I could select pages, then I could hover on new page, and I could select full page embed. And by the way, it would be the same concept basically if you were using a WordPress website. All you would need to do is select HTML, and then from there you'll be able to paste in this code. So you'll tap on embed, then from there you could tap on copy code, and you'll go back to your website and you can tap on add embed, select embed code, and you can paste in the embed code right there, then tap on next, then select insert, and you can see that it has now been added. So that's how you'll be able to embed the calendar so persons will be able to do a booking. Or you could choose to share it via email. As you can see, that's the third up. By the way, if we were to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on your profile pic, from there you can further set up your account, and they also offer a program where you can refer and earn. So if we were to tap on that right there, you can see how you can set up your account. You could add your profile picture right there. You can also change the language and time zone and the time format. And you can scroll down and you can see different options. So at the moment we are on the free forever plan. But if you would like to upgrade, you can do that. And it starts off at $9.50 per month. As you can see right there, it's quite affordable. So if you would like more features, you can upgrade and go onto their paid plan. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.